This is Ron. I'm here today with Ron's RC channel here, also known as Zino Nation. I have a couple things I want to discuss today for all owners of the Zino. And one issue, I'm going to call it the color flash issue, where your video just randomly gets a streak of color. It could be green, orange, red. It's not always the same color. And I think it has to do, well, it occurs when you point your camera to a bright light source, such as the sun. I don't know the science of it, but it just seems every time you take too much light in, natural light in, it causes these flashes. This is unscientific testing. It's just some things I just happen to notice that's when it occurs on sunny days when you're flying towards the sun, or you get a lot of sun in the lens. So I'm going to have a couple clips here for you that show it. The short clips, but you'll definitely see these color flashes when they come. I mean, they're vibrant, to say the least. But I'm going to start off with a little clip of how the Zino takes off and how it, on automatic takeoff, it takes up and then comes back down again. It's supposedly been fixed in flight controller version 1.0.47, but I'm not sure about that. You would take a look at it for yourself. And I'm using camera version 0.3.4 here, and also gimbal version 3.0.2.1. So I think I'm on the latest firmware and everything. But let's go to the first clip. It's going to be the flight control issue where it goes kind of up and down, and also we're going to get to a gimbal shake issue too. So stay tuned. Okay, Ron back here. Now that we got through the Zino losing altitude, we're going to move on to the color flash issue. So check the next couple clips out for the color flashes. Okay, now we're going to move on to a clip that's got the color flash and the shaky gimbal issue all in the same clip. The gimbal was fine earlier, but all of a sudden it started shaking. It wasn't overly windy or anything, and I landed or restarted, so I have no reason or idea why the gimbal became shaky all of a sudden. Check it out. Okay, now the next couple clips, the shaky gimbal issue seems to have resolved itself, but we're still getting the color flashes. And I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but this is all on the same flight, all on one battery. I never landed it or whatever. This is just a cut up version of a full battery flight here. Just showing you the issues. I mean, there was a lot of clips without any issues too, to be fair to the Zino, but I just wanted to find out and ask people online why I'm having these color issues. I don't see other people having the same issues. Did I get a defective unit? Am I doing something wrong? If you have any feedback, let me know if you have experienced the color issues with your Zino and if you have figured out why. And I hope Hubsan Official responds to this video and lets me know if they have any ideas of what's going on. So let's return to more of the color flash issues in the next couple clips. All right.